Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. Now today I'm going to be reviewing a product I think I should have reviewed a long time ago. It's about time I got this product and I'm really excited to open it up and use it. Today we've got a lavalier mic that I bought on Amazon for just about $13. I'll put that link in the description for you guys if you want to get your own. It seems to be a really good mic. It's got good ratings, it's a bestseller and everything. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, here is our package here, Amazon Prime. I don't have Amazon Prime, but I've got this package. It came really nicely packaged. So we're going to go ahead and use the $1 keychain key knife to open this bad boy up. I reviewed this knife in another video, you can definitely check that out. So let's go ahead and dig into this thing. And all this packaging for this box. As you can see, the box is already a little open, so it's definitely been tossed around a little bit, but you can see what it is. It's a Pop Voice PV510 Plus lavalier microphone. It was really cheap, guys, so I'm not sure what kind of quality we're going to get, but it also comes with a 4-pin to 3-pin adapter, so you can plug it into a PC, laptop, desktop, or most recorders. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. What we've got is a really nice little bag to store it in. It's a nice little velvet type material kind of bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what we have here. Alright, so it comes with a little manual here. You can obviously plug it into your phone or your computer. Comes with a clip, a Velcro thing to keep the cords nice and sturdy and in place. And you've also got your wind muffs, so that way it protects it against wind, and your bag to put everything in. So let's go ahead and un-Velcro this thing. Now, as you can see, we've got lots of cord. I believe it's about 2 meters or 6 feet of cord. Comes with a standard 3.5mm headphone jack, which is great. And it already comes pre-assembled with your wind muff and your clip, so you can clip it onto your shirt or anything else you need to clip it onto. I actually think it's metal, guys. That's good. Keeps everything nice and sturdy. It clips on, so you don't have to have the clip on there. You could take it off if you need to, but that's really nice. And you've got your cord, really nice, really sturdy. Seems like you're not going to bend this thing out of place too easy. You can see Pop Voice, the name brand. And what do we have in this baggie here? In the bag comes with the little adapter here that's got a smaller version, so you can go ahead and connect it just like that and be able to fit it into smaller things. So whichever one you need, you've got that adaptability. And then it also comes with 2 spare wind muffs, which is great for noise cancellation, so that way you have nice clear voice. This thing seems to be pretty well crafted, pretty nice little product, but the only way to really test it is to go ahead and plug it in, try it on, test it out. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's compare the difference. Alright guys, so this is me without the microphone. As you can see, you can hear the echo of the room and everything like that. It sounded like that in every one of my videos so far. So I'm hoping this product will give us a better sound. So that's what we're going for. I'm a little worried because it's definitely on the cheaper end, but I think we might just be able to get good sound quality out of it. We're going to find out. Let's go ahead and plug it in and listen to the difference. Alright guys, so I'm talking at about the same volume as I was before. I've got the mic right here in front of me. Yeah, the wire's not hidden or anything. We're just testing the purpose of this. I'll get it hidden later for future videos. So this is what it sounds like right in front of me, speaking at about the same volume that I was speaking before, so nothing's really changing. You can probably hear some sort of difference right now. It probably sounds maybe more clear, a little less echo of the room. So that's what it sounds like. I'll clip it on just so you see what it sounds like when it's even closer. Alright, so this is another orientation you can have it at, right underneath you, clipped onto your shirt. It's very common orientation. This mic is omnidirectional, which means that it picks up sounds from all different directions, so it doesn't have to be direct. You can just have it near your vicinity and you will be able to hear it correctly. So that's really great. I'm sure the sound sounds pretty good for you guys right now. I'm gonna take my volume down a little bit just so you guys can see what kind of actual volume pickup that it actually has. So you can see that it is picking up sounds that normally would sound like crap if I was just recording with the regular mic on the camera. So you can see that it actually is functioning. I'm not 100% sure if it is, but I will find out later when I put the video together. If you guys want to see how useful it is in the real world, in the real realm of making videos and stuff, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below, because I'm going to be using it for all my future videos just to add that little bit more professionalism to my videos, so that way the sound's nice and good for you guys when I do my product reviews. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the future videos are going to be absolutely amazing. Plenty more products coming out to you guys. Have a great day and don't get shot.